Yeah, Mary just got through the training, the coaching last week, and then started a week before last, and
No,
then started.
the coaching was a couple of weeks ago.
Okay.
But yeah, I think going through the book and also the sessions as well as the personal coaching kind of improves your comfort level. You kind of get comfortable with what's happening, and you get rid of some of the myths or fears you used to have before. I think it's getting a better understanding of what trading is all about. And then once you have that, you're a little more comfortable. Now you're kind of, because before a lot of it was mystery. So, or what you thought you had about it, since I never